Hey guys, welcome back. This is Miss Crypto Assets and it's now October 1st and we're going to take a look at how many gas were generated over the past 4 weeks since my last video. Here's a little screenshot of it. So on September 3rd at 8:56 a.m. the amount of gas that were sitting in the wallet was 1.03156 gas. So we're going to compare 1 month later on October 1st, how many gas have arrived into this claim area. The 2.0347 was previously there from my previous videos from before the 3rd of September. So we're just going to take a look at that and see how much we gained. So we're just a couple of minutes before 8:56 a.m. Already in my wallet previous to September 3rd, there was this amount of gas. I have not claimed it since the week previous to September 3rd. As of September 3rd, I had 1.0356 already sitting here. So what we're going to do is capture the total amount at exactly 8:56 and deduct that amount, the 1.03156, so we can accurately see how much we did earn during that 1 month period only, during that 4 exact weeks. At that point, at exactly 8:56, I will claim the gas because I want to clear this out. Because in 1 year from now, I want to see exactly how much I've earned. So I will not claim this again until October 1st, 2018. That's right, I am going to hold this for 1 year. That is my commitment to you right now. I have been tempted over the last couple of weeks with NEO going up and down a lot to move this to an exchange to trade it. However, I have held my ground and I want to hold this and see where it takes me over the next year. All right, just a couple seconds here. I'm going to tabulate this into the calculator, what it's at, 4.97023. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and claim it, which will take a couple of moments to process. But this 4.97023 is where we were at as of 8:56. So what I'm going to do now is I'm taking this that was earned at that exact time and I'm going to minus from there 1.03156, and that will give us what we actually earned during those 4 weeks, which is 3.93867. And if we take a look at the website today, neotogas.com, we put in 500 NEOs. The actual amount we should have earned in 1 month is this right here, 4.6581. Well, how does that compare to what actually was generated? There you go. It's quite a bit less actually, 3.93. Quite a bit less than the actual calculation and much further than the theory calculation. And if we go to a month ago, right, I took the screenshot on August 27th. Actually, that was 5 weeks ago. You can see the per month here is saying 5.00. So what causes this difference? Why is this always changing? Well, I kind of touched on it last time. If you go to the about, you can read the difference here between the theory calculation and the actual calculation is based on the actual block generation rate, which can vary. Okay, so the gas is cleared out and I'm sitting at just above 7 gas for right now, and that includes a little bit more time. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at how much we earned in dollar value during the last 4 weeks. We got 3.93867 gas tokens for the last month. We're going to multiply that by the current value, which is 30.89. So in 1 month, we accumulated $121.67-ish, which isn't too bad. Definitely way more than you would get having this money in a bank account. You probably would get about half a penny. Not even kidding, guys. It's horrible. So in a year, how much would we earn at this rate? So if the price stayed exactly the same in 12 months, we would have just under $14.60 earned from those gas tokens. Now, that's if the price stays exactly the same. I have a lot of confidence that that price is definitely going to go up as we move into the future for many different reasons. There has been quite a bit of news the last 2-3 weeks about China banning Bitcoin, which has affected the market. However, there are a lot of benefits and features of NEO that I think outweigh similar tokens such as Ethereum. Number one, they both have a 100 million supply. With gas, that supply will be slowly released over a 22-year period, which does force the supply to be low and the demand higher. So I definitely know that will trigger this to increase over time, as well as the NEO price to increase over time as well. Another benefit of NEO is a lot of talk has been that ICOs will start accepting NEO instead of Ethereum, which Ethereum has funded many ICOs over the past several months. And the reason for NEO, becoming the new Ethereum in a way is that if you had an ICO, if you think about it from the viewpoint of someone releasing new tokens, right? So ICOs are initial coin offerings. If you are accepting NEO as your source of donation versus Ethereum, then you actually are smarter in my opinion, because you're going to be obtaining that second token as your extra little reward, so to speak. So not only are you holding NEO, which is going up, but you're also earning gas, which is rapidly going up as well. And if you have Ethereum sitting there, you're not earning anything extra, just whatever Ethereum is, right? Also, Ethereum is unlimited. So this is another benefit of NEO over Ethereum. So think about it. If you have $500 million worth of NEO sitting there, your gas supply is going to be quite substantial, or your gas that you're earning is going to be quite substantial. Compared to my 500 NEO sitting there, imagine 5 million NEO. How much more gas would that be? It just makes more sense that ICOs would accept NEO versus Ethereum or Bitcoin because of this factor. And we're still so early in all of this. I'm definitely excited to see what happens over the next couple of years with both of these tokens as they increase in demand. In 1 year, on October 1st, 2018, I will return with this 500 NEO calculation to gas and see where we're at. All right, and that concludes my video for today. Hopefully you guys found it useful, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.